As you know, the problem of post-processing of 3D printed parts has always been a hot topic in the industry. For 3D printed parts with complex shapes and high precision requirements, how to realize automatic and accurate removal of their soft spot structures to reduce the risk of defects and damage. With this problem in mind, GBOS found an automated solution using the multi-axis control system of the three-dimensional Y-axis laser cutting machine. Can perfectly solve this problem and can avoid damage to the part itself, quickly, efficiently, and accurately remove the soft spot structure of the 3D printed part and improve the processing accuracy of the part and the product quality, less post-processing work, and lower costs. Want to know more? Looking forward to discussing the high-tech with you at the Canton Fair from April 15 to 19 and ATES from March 29 to April 1st and show you the application of three-dimensional Y-axis laser cutting machine on a variety of special shape products, including VR heads laser cutting, sports helmets, automotive plastic parts, and sheets, some red fabric, or more and more. Looking forward to your arrival.